Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. This is going to be first in a short little series of how-to. In previous videos we were sharing with you where we're a Factory 5 preferred builder. We're in the process of reassembling a 65 Coupe from Factory 5 Racing. So one of the issues that I have, and I think other people are experiencing, is the rear hatch glass from Factory 5 comes with a black surround in the glass or on the glass. However, the windshield, which we have here, does not have any type of border around it, so it's clear or see-through. And then on the body of the car, which we'll show you in the next video, the body of the car, if it's painted blue, for example, is going to show the color bleeding through. So you use urethane, and when you set the urethane in and you set the windshield in the car body, you unfortunately see some gaps. So in the first couple of cars that we did, that's the way we did it, but now we've got a little bit, I think, a little bit smarter. So what we've done is we have the actual windshield for the 65 Coupe. It's been washed and masked on both sides, and they've prepared the inside of the glass, and we have a product. We're in Ontario, Canada, and there's a company called Proform. There's going to be other versions of it. So it's a pinch weld and glass bond primer. So when you read in the installation manual on windshields, on how to install a windshield in a Factory 5 car, they suggest taking it to a professional glass shop. So we do everything in-house here, and one of the things that we do is windshields internally. So basically, if you have the proper product, which is a pinch weld and glass bond primer, we are going to apply that around the glass and let it cure. It's compatible, it's like a conditioner, and it's compatible with the windshield urethane. So in the next video, what we'll do is we'll show you with this, with the black applied, and then we'll have it ready to place into or on the car. So in the next video, we'll show you the black paint that we have around the windshield surround where this is going to set into. And then before we urethane it, we'll show you what it's going to look like and then the finished product. So it's just a step, about a 3 or 4 step process on how to install a windshield properly in the Factory 5 Racing 65 Coupe. So I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.